Here at Boulder City RV, we have a special rental program. The way it works is, to the ordinary renter, it's the same as anywhere else. You come in, you rent a coach. The difference is that most of our stuff is towable and not drivable. So we actually take the unit to the spot that you choose. We set it up for you, we do your walkthrough there, and then you start camping immediately. If you are an owner of an RV and say you owe a little too much, what we allow you to do is put it in our rental fleet and rent it out, and that will help pay your loan debt. Here at Boulder City RV, we have extended service contracts available for both new and used. Having an extended service contract provides peace of mind. It's a good way to protect your unit. This entire dealership and the way that I treat my customers, the way that my entire staff treats our customers is all about their experience. I have a sign as you exit my driveway that says, if you're leaving here unhappy, put it in park and come back inside. And that's important to me. I want to make sure that if I have an opportunity to fix a situation, I'm going to before it ever gets out of hand.